down time for the seated class. Okay, oh my goodness. Get my forehead off the screen. Okay, we're going to just stretch out those muscles you've been working. Try not to stretch too hard on cool muscles. So I'd be tempted, if you're just going to do one thing in this regime, do the warm-up rather than just doing the cool down or the main section. Okay, right, let's do it. So in our chairs, in our working position, we're just going to gently move these legs, roll the shoulders up to the ears and back down. And then we're just going to gently bring those arms into that forward raise. And we're going to allow them just to gently come back down. And we're going to just see if we can breathe out into those fingertips. And just gently breathe in as those arms come down. And then we're going to bring those hands up. We're going to take one hand onto the opposite shoulder. And we're going to use the other hand just to hug that arm in. And then we're going to release. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. So we're going to take that arm across. So just a nice little stretch at the back of the arms and the shoulders. And then we're going to release. And then we're going to just gently drop that chin down. Lift that head up. Take that roll of the shoulders. And then we're going to take that hand. We're going to walk it over those shoulders, sitting nice and tall. Gently pressing that elbow towards the ceiling. And then we're going to reach up. Now just see if you can take this hand and just support yourself on that chair. We're going to breathe out. We're going to breathe in. And we're going to bring it down. And we're going to roll those shoulders. Let's do the same on this side. So we're going to walk that hand over that shoulder. Gently press that elbow to the ceiling. And we're sitting in that working position nice and tall. So think about your feet. Then we're going to reach up only as far as you feel comfortable. And we're going to breathe out. Good. And again, we're keeping both bottom cheeks on that chair. Good. If lifting the arm up doesn't work for you there, we can do it without. Okay, we can do it without. And then we're just going to see if we can drop that chin to the chest. Hello, Tom's Tagg. And then we're going to gently push those hands away from the chest, but we're going to draw this tummy button in, and we're just looking at your thighs. And then we're going to open out those arms, and we're going to see if we can hold onto the back of the chair. Hold onto the back of the chair, so we're stretching the chest muscles out like we did earlier. You can just push those hands behind you. And then we're going to shake it out. Just move those feet a little bit. Now I'm going to move my chair backwards a little bit. I'm going to move my chair backwards a little bit for that back of the thigh stretch. So we're going to sit in that front part of the chair. Oh, can't see it, can you? We're going to sit in that front part of the chair. And then we're just going to see if we can draw that toe up towards the ceiling. Keeping that back as straight as we can. We're going to lift the chest towards the straight legs. So we're feeling that stretch there. Breathe out. And although it sounds ridiculous, see if we can relax into it. Ooh. Yeah. Breathe out, and that'll help you relax. Good work, everyone. Let's bring it in. Let's do the same on the other side. Good. Honestly, every time I do this, I want to tense up and run away. But you feel so much better afterwards once you've done it. It really helps with lower back stiffness everywhere. Okay, let's bring it all the way up. And let's just bring it back to that nice comfortable position. So we're going to come to the end of our warm-up. We're just going to sit back, relax, feel those feet on the floor. And this, more than anything, you might find helpful. If you don't, you can turn me off now and go and make a cup of tea. But what we're going to do is relax the shoulders, and we're going to think about breathing into that belly button. And as you breathe out, we're just going to gently push the air out through the mouth. So think about just gently breathing into that belly button. Breathing in. And if we can, let's see if we can take twice as long on that breath out as we do on the breath in. So we're going to gently count to 4 as we breathe out. And we're just going to breathe in 1, 2. We're going to breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that one more time. And then relax. So, brilliant work. You have now earned that cup of tea or coffee, and maybe even one of those biscuits. And I have to say, Rachel and myself miss you all so terribly. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the Wednesday classes. I'm looking forward to seeing the Tuesday classes. And I know Matthew and Dawn are looking forward to seeing the rest of you who come to their classes. So take care, stay safe, and do get in touch if you need anything at all.